Kethi Kilonzo's battle to get back on the ballot paper kicked off with a scathing attack on the IEBC.
Well, the city lawyer will know on Friday if she will contest the Makueni Senate seat.
Kethi and Ogina covered the court proceedings.
With everything to play for, this was a do-or-die affair for Kethi Kilonzo and her legal team as the clock ticks towards the by-election that could redefine her future forever. Kethi's lawyers, led by Siaya Senator James Orengo, censured IEBC Dispute Resolution Tribunal's decision to revoke Kethi's candidature, saying the body lacked jurisdiction to determine the matter as there was conflict of interest.
A thief giving somebody money, and then you say, okay, I can be able to determine how we can deal with this money. Which is what the commission was trying to do.
At the heart of the issues before the tribunal was the question of the competence of the IEBC.
IEBC came under sharp criticism, with Kethi's lawyers poking holes in the electoral body's operations, saying it conducted a sham registration process that was not tamper-proof, also charging that the commission's independence was compromised.
How did the complainants know that the first petitioner was not a registered voter? This question is fundamental to the issues before this court because only the first petitioner and the IEBC, the first respondent, have the answers to that question.
The commission was basically defending itself in the proceedings. One line was that the issue is under investigations. One line was that the slip had been stolen.
This as Wiper Party sponsoring Kethi Kilonzo to succeed her late father claimed the tribunal's decision denied the party a chance to field a candidate in the crucial race.
If they wanted to be an independent and impartial tribunal, they would have convened themselves at that time so that Wiper would have a second bite on the cherry in case the independent commission were to rule the way they did.
There can be no legitimate expectation that flows from a matter that is either unlawful, fraudulent, or a nullity.
But on the rebuttal, IEBC wants the case quashed, saying the bench lacked jurisdiction to hear and determine the case as there was no election petition before the court. IEBC argued the Makueni County Returning Officer had not declared anyone winner to prompt a dispute before the High Court.
Article 88(4)(e) bestows on the IEBC or on the second respondent the exclusive constitutional mandate to hear and determine, my lords, all disputes without reservation.
Kethi's fate now squarely before the bench of 3 judges, Richard Mwongo, Weldon Korir and Mumbi Ngugi.
So we will issue the judgment on Friday, 19th July at 10:30 in the morning.
Friday becomes Kethi's day with destiny, a judgment day that will determine if at all her political lifeline takes a bow or if at all she makes it to the ballot paper for the Makueni senatorial race to succeed her late father. Either way, her fate will be sealed on Friday. Ogina, Kethi, and at the Milimani Law Courts, Nairobi.